Why does your scanner show the P0885 engine code? What does it mean? P0885 is a diagnostic trouble code for Traction Control Module (TCM) Power Relay Control Circuit, or OPEN. This engine code indicates that this means the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) is not receiving the correct voltage signal from the TCM, which can cause significant transmission and driving problems. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: inoperative or faulty TCM power relay, open or corroded fuse, wiring harness problems, faulty TCM or PCM, poor electrical connections. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai, Ford, Nissan, Audi, and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.